Good morning, students. Now, today we will go ahead in our continuing chapter number 11, perimeter and area. In previous session, I taught area of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram equal to base into height, and so many sums already we studied in previous session. And today here we will study about triangles area sums. Okay. So here we know that formula, area of triangle equal to 1/2 base into altitude. Okay, so these extra examples. First number, find the area of triangle XYZ if XZ equal to 18 cm, height YM equal to 10 cm. So first of all, students, we will do here one triangle. This triangle X Y Z. XZ, this XZ is 18 cm and height YM. So we have to draw altitude on corresponding this side. This YM. Okay, this 10 cm. This base and this height. So base is 18 cm and altitude is 10 cm. We have to find this area. So simple, we will use formula, area of triangle XYZ equal to 1/2 base into height. This 1/2 base we took here XZ and height is YM. Clear? Base is XZ and height is YM. This 1/2. XZ is 18 cm and YM is 10 cm. 2 9s are. So 9 10s are 19 cm. Clear? So this triangle XYZ area is 90 cm. Here we require base and height. Okay. So already given base and this height, corresponding height, this YM and base is XZ. Now find the area of triangle FOX if OF equal to 14 cm, height XM equal to 12 cm. So first we will draw this triangle FOX, this box. Okay. OM is this 14 cm. And height XM means we have to take this corresponding side and corresponding altitude is this. Altitude means we have to draw straight line, not this slanting line here. XM measurement is 12. So simple, area of triangle FOX 1/2 base into height. 1/2 base. This base we will take OF. OF is our base and height is XM. 1/2 OF. OF is 14 and XM is 12. 2 7s are 84 centimeter. Understood? So this area of triangle FOX equal to 84 centimeters. Here in sum number 3, the area of triangle XYZ is 150 centimeters square. So in this sum already area given is 150 centimeters square. And XZ side measurement is 20 cm. Find the height YM. So let's we do here one triangle. This triangle XYZ. Okay, XZ. This XZ is 20 cm. And find the height YM. So this corresponding altitude YM. We want to find this measurement. So simple, first we will write XYZ area equal to 1/2 base base is xz and height is ym. This base is height. And already area of triangle xyz given, it is 150. So in place of xyz we will write 150. 1 by xz. Xz is 20 and ym we have to find. Okay. Now 2 tens are 20 and 10 is going in downside. 150 by 10 equal to ym 0 cut. So ym equal to 15 centimeter. Clear this? Once again I repeat this sum. See here beta. In this triangle xyz, this base measurement is 20 and ym not given. So xyz equal to 1/2 base multiply height. This xyz area is 150 equal to 1 by 2. Xz 20 and ym we have to find. 2 tens are 20, 10 downside 0 0 cut. So altitude ym measurement height 15 centimeter. Now in this fourth number sum, the area of triangle PQR is 120 centimeter square. If PQ equal to 16 centimeter, find the height. So in this case, area already given, it is 120. PQ measurement is 16 centimeter. Find the height RM. This RM. Okay. This is same calculation. So area of triangle PQR equal to 1/2 base PQ into height RM. PQR measurement is 16 given. So PQR measurement is 120 given. This 1/2 PQ measurement is 16 and RM measurement we have to find. 2 8s are 16. 8 is going in downside equal to RM. 15 8s are 120. So RM measurement is 15 centimeter. Here once again see this. The area of triangle PQR is 120 centimeter square. PQ equal to 16 centimeter. Find the height RM. So in this triangle, this base is 16 and corresponding altitude is nr. PQR equal to 1/2 base multiply height. PQR 120, 1/2 PQ is 16 RM. 2 8s are 16 and downside 15 8s are 120. So RM is height, means altitude measurement is 15 centimeter we can get. In sum number 3, the area of triangle XYZ is 64 centimeter square, means area given. If the height XM equal to 8 centimeter, find YZ. Means in this case we can observe height measurement given, base measurement we have to find, and area also given. In this triangle XYZ, XM height on YZ is XM. Yes. XM measurement is 8 centimeter. This base measurement we have to find. So area of XYZ equal to 1/2 base into height XM. This area of XYZ equal to 1/2 base height. XYZ area is 64. This 1 by 2. YZ we want to find, and XM is 8. 2 4s are 8. Yes, 4 is going downside. 64 by 4 equal to YZ. Now 4 1s are 4 and 16 4s are 16 centimeter. So this base measurement YZ equal to 16 centimeter. Once again I repeat this sum. See, base measurement we have to find, altitude measurement is 8 centimeter and area already given, it is 64. So triangle area XYZ equal to 1/2 base multiply height XYZ means 64, 1 by 2, YZ we want to find. XM is 8, 2, 4 side, 4 is downside, 64 by 4, 64 is 64, YZ equal to 16 centimeter. Now in sum number 6, triangle ABC is right angle at B. If AB equal to 9 cm, BC equal to 12 cm, find the area of triangle ABC. So first we will do here right triangle. Right triangle means one is standing line and second is sitting line. This here it means right triangle. B is right angle. So we have to write B here. So we can write A, B, C. Okay. AB is 9 cm, BC is 12 cm. So students, in this case we can observe it is right triangle given and we want to find right triangle area. That time we have to use same formula 1/2 base into altitude. But base we will take this base and this standing line. It's our height means altitude. So same formula. Area of triangle ABC equal to 1/2 base into height. So this 1/2 base is BC and height is AB. Okay, so this 1/2 base is 12 and this 9. 2 6 are 12 and this 6 times are 54 centimeters square. Understood? Once again I repeat this something. It is right triangle. We took this as base and this is our height. ABC triangle area ABC equal to 1/2 base into height. Base means BC, height means AB. 1/2 BC is 12 and AB is 9. 2 6 are and 6 9 are 54 centimeter square. So in right triangle we can use this same formula. Now in 7 number, triangle PQR is right angle at Q. PQ equal to 10 cm, QR equal to 24 cm. Find the area of triangle PQR. So this first we will draw your right triangle. PQ is 10 cm, QR is 24 cm. So same concept, we will take this as base and this height. So PQR equal to 1/2 base into height. This 1/2 base means QR, height is PQ. This 1/2 QR means 24 and height is 10. Now 12 2s are 24, 12 10s are 120 centimeters. Now in this sum number 8, in sum number 8 we can observe these two triangles, one triangle and this second triangle, third and fourth triangle. But area of triangle ABC already given. See, area of triangle ABC already given. This ABC area given, but we want to find this area. So without this base, I can't find its area. So first we will take this triangle. In triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC equal to 1/2. We will take this as base BC, altitude is AB. In this triangle, we will take this as base and this is our triangle. Triangle ABC 20. This 1 by base not equal and AB is 8. 2 4 side. Now 4 is going downside, 20 by 4 equal to BC. 4 5 is 20. So BC equal to 5 centimeters. Yes. Now BC measurement I got is 5 centimeters. Now easily I can find this area. Why? Because this is our base and this we will take as our altitude. So we can use this formula. Triangle BC, ABCD. In triangle BCD, area BCD equal to 1/2. We take BC as base and DM is our altitude. Okay, is 1/2. BC base already we got it is 5, and this DM is 6. Okay, 2 3s are 6, 5 3s are 15 centimeters. Once again I repeat this. First we want to find this side measurement, but not given area given of this triangle ABC. So first we will take this triangle. Triangle area ABC equal to 1/2 base multiply area already given 20 equal to 1/2 BC. AB is 8 to 4 side, 4 is down side, 20 by 4 5 is 20 and 5. BC is 5 cm. Now we will take this triangle BC. In this triangle BC, 1/2 base multiply height. So 1/2 base means BC, height means DM. 1/2 BC measurement we formed is 5, and DM is 6. 2 3s are 6, 5 3s are 15 centimeter square. Is it clear? In sum number 9, area of triangle XYZ is 170.5 centimeters square. Find its height. Base is 22 centimeter. So first we will do here one triangle. It is not in right triangle, so we can do anything. This X, Y, Z. Total area is given 170.5 centimeters. Height we want to find. So this height and height we will find, and base, this base is 22 centimeter. This height measurement we want to find. Simple. XYZ area equal to 1/2 base means YZ and height means XM. Okay, XYZ area already given 1.70.5, 1/2, YZ is 22 and XM we want to find. 11 2s are 22. This 170 is upon unit and 10 and 11 equal to XM. Now let's take cut here. 11 1s are 11, 6. Yes, it can cut by 11. 11 1s are 11. Now 6, 11 5s are 55. Now 5 11 5 and point given on one side. So this 15.5 centimeters. Okay. Now in triangle PQR equal to 8 centimeter, altitude PM 6 centimeter, PQ equal to 12 centimeter. Find the altitude. So first we will do here one triangle and give its name PQR. QR, this 8 centimeter, altitude PM, this PM 6, and PQ is 12 centimeter. Find altitude R. So students, already I got, whenever we see a single figure, there are two altitudes given. That time we have to compare their base and height, So here we can observe these are base and these are height, these are base and these are height. So let's compare this base QR and this height, corresponding height equal this base PQ and corresponding height is this R. Here see, this base, this height equal to this base, this height. Okay, QR already we is PM 6 given. Okay, PQ 12 and R we want to find. Now 8 multiply 6 by 12 equal to R. 6 to the 12, 2 to the 8. So Rn measurement equal to 4 centimeter. Here, so students, now you see here that all types of sums on triangle we completed here. Now you watch this video properly, and next session we will go ahead. Thank you and have a nice day.